Hello Kartapult users! In this guide, we will learn how to implement the decrease budget strategy for Facebook ads automation. Click on Decrease Budget under Facebook ads automation strategies. Choose the strategy type between short-term and long-term. The difference between these are short-term strategy operates on hourly frequency, while long-term strategy operates on the day-level frequency. Long-term strategy doesn't allow budget resets and offers more options for defining time duration while defining conditions. In short-term strategy, the fixed condition will be mandatory, and for the long-term strategy, it will depend upon the user. Enter a name for your strategy in this field, and then to create budget scale-down strategy, choose your campaign objective. Let's say we are selecting sales. Then you need to choose the level at which you want to apply this strategy. For example, we are choosing campaign level and then select the funnel. You can also filter the campaigns by name using this button. For simplicity, we are not using it for now. And then we click on Find Assets. So here you can view active assets. And if you want to view all assets, just click on this button. Then select the asset for which you want to decrease the budget. And from this button, you can add newly created assets. Since it's a campaign level strategy, so here you can see a note stating that campaign level action, decrease budget will be applied to CBO campaigns only. Then we have to enter actions. We can choose to decrease the asset budget either by percentage or by rupees. Let's say we are selecting percentage. Enter the value over here by which we want the budget to decrease. And in Until section, put a limit value to the budget for selected assets. And then enter a time period and budget details. But if you choose dynamic, then you can assign a conditional approach to budget adjustment, ensuring that the strategy will only trigger until the specific criteria meets. Let's say we are selecting cost of purchase of all selected asset for last 3 days. So it will get fetched over here. And you can give multiplying factor, then select the time period and budget details. So until the budget decrease reaches this value up to only that moment, this condition gets triggered and budget will get decrease. Also, if you want to check your total account budget, you can check from here. You can also put a surf limit for your account budget not to exceed the assigned value from here. Then, to define condition for this strategy to work, you can choose between all these key metrics. Let's say we are selecting CPC of last 3 days, and in this section, you can select static or dynamic. For simplicity, we are using static here. Then enter a value. You can also combine this condition with another condition and choose between and or between these conditions. If we select or, the strategy is triggered if either of the condition is met along with fixed condition. And with an and condition, all conditions must be fulfilled for the strategy to activate. For simplicity, we are selecting only one condition at this moment. Now for fixed condition, we need to decide on the minimum amount spent of last 3 days. Here also, you can choose between static or dynamic conditions. It is necessary to assign the hours since creation attribute. If an asset duration is not greater than 48 hours, it will be excluded from the strategy. Now let's move on to the triggers. From here, we can select if we want to run the strategy continuously or on a specific date. If on a specific date, then we need to set the start date or end date. For now, we are selecting Run Continuously. Next, we need to make the activation setting. Here we can select the Run Continuously, or we can select specific date and hours. If you want to include or exclude any date or time for which we want the strategy to trigger, we can do it from here. For now, we are choosing Run Continuously. You can also reset the budget at any given time from this button, and you can reset the budget at midnight, or you can reset the budget at any given point of time. And after that, when you click on Publish, your strategy will get triggered, and it will decrease the budget according to the given conditions. Thanks for watching.